Researchers have overcome a major barrier, producing more energy from a fusion experiment than was put in. The first time this has ever been done. The National Ignition Facility in California is a $3.5 billion experiment. It puts a tiny amount of hydrogen into a capsule the size of a peppercorn. Then a powerful 192-beam laser is used to heat and compress the hydrogen fuel. The laser is so strong it can heat the capsule to 100 million degrees Celsius, hotter than the center of the sun, and compress it to more than 100 billion times that of Earth's atmosphere. Under these forces, the capsule begins to implode on itself, forcing the hydrogen atoms to fuse and release energy. On announcing the breakthrough, Dr. Marvin Adams, Deputy Administrator for Defense Programs at the U.S. National Nuclear Security Administration, said that the laboratory's lasers had input 2.05 megajoules of energy to the target, which had then produced 3.15 megajoules of fusion energy output. Nuclear fusion is described as the holy grail of energy production. It is the process that powers the sun and other stars. It is the opposite of nuclear fission, where heavy atoms are split apart. Fission waste can be dangerous and must be stored safely. Nuclear fusion produces far more energy, and only small amounts of short-lived radioactive waste. And importantly, the process produces no greenhouse gas emissions and therefore does not contribute to climate change. But one of the challenges is that forcing and keeping the elements together in fusion requires very high temperatures and pressures. On the question of how long before we could see fusion being used in power stations, Dr. Butel, the LLNL director, said there were still significant hurdles, but that, with concerted efforts and investment, a few decades of research on the underlying technologies could put us in a position to build a power plant. By the way, this voice, the one you are currently hearing, was generated using an AI text-to-speech software. Check the description for more information. If you appreciate this content, remember to drop us a like. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.